Ano ba yung act of arrest? Arrest po is the taking of a person into custody in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. So, ano bang ibig sabihin kung meron ng mandamiento de arresto? Ang ibig sabihin po niyan is meron na pong kaso na kinakaharap ang taong aarestuhin kasi hindi po mag-i-issue ng warrant ang korte kung walang kaso. Now, ano po ba ang ibang implication pag meron ng arrest warrant? Pag meron na pong arrest warrant, ang mangyayari po kasi dyan is pag-file ng fiscal ng kaso dun sa korte, pagdating dun sa mesa ng huwis, ng judge, bubusisiin ng judge po kung meron bang probable cause to issue a warrant of arrest at kung meron bang probable cause to proceed with the trial. Kasi at that point in time po, pag sa tingin ng judge na walang probable cause to issue a warrant, the judge can or has the power to dismiss the criminal information po. Pero malimit lang po yung nangyayari kasi siguro speaking from experience, here in our jurisdiction, in the place where I am assigned, I think 90 to 99% of the time po, pag na-file na yung information sa korte, the judge po will almost always issue a warrant of arrest. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng warrant, no? Pag may warrant ka na, ibig sabihin meron ka ng kaso. Kaya nga, aarestuhin ka na so that you will be forced to face the charges in court. Kailangan mong harapin po ang kaso. Kasi pag hindi mo hinirap ang kaso, then you will become a fugitive from justice. Pag meron kayong warrant of arrest, harapin nyo ang kaso dahil it is only the court, pag meron ng kaso, ang makakapagsabi kung inosente kayo o hindi. Although, we already know that every person is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Kahit na po factually, kahit na po nakita nyo sa dalawang mata nyo na ginawa ni X ang krimen laban kay Y, pero hanggang hindi po ito na-prove sa court, hanggang hindi pa napapatunayan sa korte, that person whom you saw doing a crime against another is presumed innocent until proven guilty.